Hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a 65mm Marksman round body padlock. Quite a nice hefty lump of steel, doesn't say hardened anywhere, and it's got a 5-pin core. Nothing special on the bitting, but does work okay. We have ball bearing mechanism for the hasp, so this was sent to me by Lock Noob. Thanks for that. And I must admit I had a little bit of a play with it and I looked round. I thought, well, nothing much, nothing particularly special, which it isn't, but oh sorry. Then I looked it up online and you can actually get this delivered for $7.99 from Amazon, including delivery, but you can see the amount of slop in that, and that is the whole core moving in there. And if we turn it this way, if we can get a pick in there, hopefully you'll be able to see the amount of backwards and forwards movement in there as well, so it can make it a little bit more tricky to pick. So let's make sure I haven't jammed anything up doing that. There we are. So let's see if we can get this open and see what it's got inside. It definitely feels like it's got security pins, so let's start at the back. And 5, we've got some counter rotation and a click. 4, the same. 3, same again. 2, the same again. And 1. Same again. So we've got counter rotation on everything and a nice click, but I've found it's quite easy to overset pins on this, so let's give it another go from the back. 5, 4, 3, little click out of 3, click out of 2, and a click out of 1. 5, 4, 3, little click out of 2, and 1. There we go. So as you can see, it's not the most difficult of picks. It probably took me a little bit longer than it should have, but let's get a pinning tray in and see what we've got inside. So we should have a screw in there. There we go. And there's the core. So we've got, if we can see there, usual type of mechanism in there. So what have we got? No clip. So it is actually a 6-pin core. So what is holding that in? Right, I think that what we might have is an extra pin in there, which we have. I think we have a pin in slot 6, which is the one which stops the movement on the core, and everything's come out, so we only have half a core. Right, let's see what we can salvage from this. Where do we want to be? Right, managing to knacker up all the springs. So I think you can tell that I didn't rehearse this. They went flying, and there we go, the last one. So where did those springs go? There they are. Right, so we have, let's have a look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spools, which aren't particularly fantastic. We also had that one must be number 5, key pin by the looks of it. And coming out number 4. There we go. So we've got more springs hanging around in here. All mangled up. I'm missing one from somewhere. So this pin at the back here will have sat up in there. In number 6 I can still see a couple of pins in there, and a couple of springs, there we go, and another one. And this would locate in that slot to stop the core over rotating. Now, just out of interest, that goes in that way. I'm just going to grab see what we're like size wise, and I think an American core will slip straight in there. So I can see an upgrade coming on for this, because those pins aren't particularly great. But like I say, what do you expect for £7.99 delivered? So that's it. You may well see this look again with an American core in it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye. Right, just quickly back again. We now have a full 6-pin American core in here, which has even managed to get rid of a little bit of the slack we had in the core. There's still a bit of movement there, but not as much as there was. And it doesn't flop backwards and forwards quite as much. But we now have a nice key with some good bitting, full of decent security pins, and it works perfectly. So there we go, recalled as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.